Good morning all, respected ma'am and all my dear friends. I'm Disha Dunakar of grade 9, standing before you to give this seminar on the topic India's lunar mission or Chandrayaan. Before knowing more about Chandrayaan, let us know who and why it focuses more on the lunar missions. India's lunar missions are launched by ISRO, which is also known as Indian Space and Research Organization, located at Bangalore. It mainly focuses on lunar mission to get more traces of moon and find whether life is suitable on the surface of moon. Now, ISRO had launched three lunar missions, that is Chandrayaan 1, Chandrayaan 2 and Chandrayaan 3. So let us first know about Chandrayaan 1. Chandrayaan 1 is India's first mission to moon, which was launched successfully on 22nd October 2008 at Satish Dhawan Space Center, Shah at Sriharikota. The spacecraft was orbiting around the moon at the height of 100 km from the lunar surface for chemical, mineralogical and photologic mapping of the moon. But unfortunately, the connection between ISRO and the Chandrayaan 1 got disconnected, and it led to the end of the mission on August 29, 2009. Its mission life was around 2 years, and this rocket, the Chandrayaan 1 was launched by the rocket PSLV C11. Now, this was not the last mission for ISRO. ISRO kept on trying and again launched the second lunar mission, which is Chandrayaan 2 on July 22, 2019. It contained three major parts: the orbiter, which observed and maintained the lunar observations and the communication between Earth and Chandrayaan 2's lander. It contained Vikram lander, which was designed to execute India's first soft landing on the moon's south pole, and it had a companion as Pragyan rover, which was a six-wheeled powered by AI vehicle, which is a translation of the Sanskrit word Jnana or wisdom. Why ISRO or the Indians choose moon? Because moon is the closest cosmic body at which the space discovery can be attempted and documented. It is also a promising testbed to demonstrate technologies required for deep space missions. And moon's south pole is interesting because of the lunar surface that remains at shadow and is much larger than the moon's north pole. There could be possibility of presence of water and hydrogen. Addition, it creates many that are cold traps and contain fossil record of the early solar system. So the ISRO's mission to find the traces of water and hydrogen in the South Pole started from Chandrayaan 2. India wanted to land in moon's South Pole only to discover the traces of water and hydrogen, so that to discover whether life is possible on the surface of moon. But it was almost a successful mission. But unfortunately, on September 2, 2019, the Vikram lander got crashed and it failed the mission. But this was also not the end. It is always said that failures are the pillar of success, and without failures, nothing can be done, or one cannot achieve success in life. So ISRO kept on working, and after 4 years, ISRO launched Chandrayaan 3. On 14 July 2023, India launched Chandrayaan 3 from the Sriharikota Satish Dhawan Space Center. Chandrayaan 3 also contained the orbiter, the same Vikram lander and the Pragyan rover. One more important information: the orbiter of Chandrayaan 2 is still orbiting in the moon's surface, and it will keep on giving information and keep the communication between ISRO and the moon. The Chandrayaan 3 mission was a successful one, and it landed on the surface of Moon on 23rd August 2023. It was indeed a special moment for the Indians to see the launch of Chandrayaan-3 on the surface of Moon. India became the first country to land on the south pole of Moon. It was indeed a precious moment for us to see India being the first country landing in the south pole of Moon. And fortunately, we have already found traces of sulfur and oxygen on the Moon's surface, which can be a clue that there is the presence of water on Moon. The main missions of Chandrayaan-3 was to demonstrate safe and soft landing on lunar surface, to demonstrate rover roving on the Moon, and to conduct several scientific experiments. Chandrayaan-3 was a successful mission for the ISRO in the lunar, was among one of the successful lunar missions of India. With this, some of the important dates of Chandrayaan-3 was on 14 July, LVM-N3, which was the vehicle carrying Chandrayaan-3, successfully launched the rocket or the Chandrayaan-3 mission on 14 July 2023 at Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota. On 5th August, Chandrayaan-3 successfully inserted into the lunar orbit. On August 16, the spacecraft is in orbit, which was firing on August 16, 2023. On August 17, lander module is successfully separated from the propulsion module, deboosting planned for August 18, 2023. And finally, on August 23rd, 2023, Chandrayaan-3 successfully landed on the surface of Moon at the Moon's south. The landing point of Chandrayaan-3 is named as Shiv Shakti Point, and the lander Vikram and rover Pragyan are still exploring the Moon's surface in the search of water and light strays on the Moon. With this, I conclude my saying thank you and have a nice day ahead.